Hello and welcome to the MStar training session to detain a student from using library as applicable. This functionality may come useful in case of any disciplinary action against a student and to bar him to use library for a limited period of time as a punishment. So let us see the steps to do the same. Click on MStar button and select Module Library. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the library module. Click on the button Activities and select screen Library Detention. Before you could start the activity, you need to select the library in which activity needs to be performed. So, click on the box next to the text. Please select the library and select the library name. Click on button Go. After this, click on the box next to student ID and it is showing us the ID of the student. In case you want to find it from the list, click on the button Find next to the student ID and the list of students with the class section appears. Click on the row of the student and click OK from the window. The name of the student appears on the main screen. In case you want to see the history of this child, click on the button History, and if any past library detention has been done against the student, it will appear in this box. In this case, there is no library detention history for the student. Click Close on this window. After this, in the box next to Period of Detention, enter the number of days for which the child needs to be detained from using library. You can enter maximum 2 characters in this field and only numbers can be entered. The period of detention is a mandatory requirement to be entered for saving the details in the screen. In the next field, Date of Detention, the current date displays by default. That means the student will be detained from the current date. You can change this date and enter any previous date. The future date entry is not allowed in this field. Only the date format, which is day, month and year format, has to be entered. In the next box, Reason of Detention, enter the reason for which the child has been detained from using library. You can enter maximum 100 characters in this field and both text and numbers can be entered. Only special characters like comma, dot, slash and dash are allowed in this field. Also, this is a mandatory field to save the details in the screen. In the next field, Teacher's Name, click on the arrow and it will display the list of all the teachers. You can select from the list or you can click on the button Find and it will display the list of the employees along with the department and employee number. You can select the name from this list and the name gets selected in the teacher's name field. It is the teacher's name who is responsible for detaining the student. After entering these details, click on button Save and the data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen and in case you want to detain other students, repeat these steps as required. The detention functionality prevents the students from accessing the school library for a specified period. This functionality enables auto-validation of issue of media to the specified students within the detention period. There is no impact of the detention screen on other modules. Thank you for watching this video.